Hello, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're doing a expedited PS5 HDMI port replacement. Man, this thing is dirty. So wherever you're keeping it, don't keep it there no more. It looks like an entertainment center or something. You want it in the nice open air on a tabletop of some sorts, and you want it to be flat, not vertical. We'll clean out this as well. Could you just imagine if we didn't include all this? It's like, yeah, your unit's ready, come pick it up. And then we get the call like an hour later. It works great, but it overheats in like 10 minutes. I could just imagine other shops. Oh yeah, that's a separate issue. That's another $100 and some odd. No, we just include it, dude. And we will take care of this as well. I forgot to put flukes. There we go. Very important. Muy importante, the flux, you know? Alright, and we are back in action. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to smash that like button. Drop a comment. If you like what you see, be sure to subscribe, as well as smash that bell notification so you do not miss any new videos. Steve with SBO Games, signing out.